Alright, so we came down the street to League City Park. I wasn't going to film anything here, but man, I love this stuff they made. I want a hippo for Christmas. Somebody really likes some hippos. That's so cool. Well, you can come down to League City Park and buy these, man. These are so nice. Oh, I have that one. I did actually buy that one time. That's one that's in my yard. Huh. I didn't get your number here. I'm gonna put it out there for you because y'all do really good stuff here.
Thank you.
I love it. Buy these too. Look at all this. I came in the tent. They have all this ready to go. Like I said, I got the Santa Golf last time. So let's see what wife lets us get this time. There you go. That's it right there. And then, you know what? They do this out here sometimes. A lot of vendors. This place is huge. There's a giant Christmas tree out there somewhere. It's going real good. I just saw this. It's cool. This is 3D printed, huh?
Yes, all melted down plastic, non-toxic for humans and animals. So if you or your dog tries to eat it, you ain't gonna get sick on it.
Alright, so no dragons were hurt when you were making this.
No.
That was cool, man.
It was a 3D.
Wow. Dragon boy. I'll put this up there. Here's his card, guys.
Right there. And then once you obtain your dragon, you get to name your book of dragon in the book of names forever.
No way. Oh, really? Look. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so then some of our dragons will give you a little ring with them, so you can run around your arms like so.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this I need to call Bradley. I got a friend that goes to, he makes costumes.
Oh, nice. Well, some of these do glow in the UV lights as well.
Oh, dang.
Like these neon green ones. And then some of our other ones like these.
Oh, they got
do
wings.
glow.
Look at that. How much are these?
Our big ones, these go for
70?
these are the specials, these are 70. The big ones go for about 50. Medium 30, and then your baby dragons over there are gonna be about 15.
No way.
Everything with wings you see will cost 5 extra.
Uh-huh.
We also do have peacocks and frogs and other sorts of animals.
Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. He makes all this. Oh, axolotls.
It's ones like you see right here, the Triceratops and Axolot on the bone dragons. These are ones that do glow in the dark.
Oh, wow.
And then the neon green ones, like the ones over there, these will glow in the magic UV light as well. We also have straw toppers and everything. We sometimes have keychains and earrings as well.
Wait, straw toppers?
Yes, sir. For like your Stanleys or any other cup you like.
Yeah. Shoot.
And then if you didn't catch us at the Renaissance this year, we'll be at the Renaissance next year.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, my friend Bradley, he makes costumes. He's always at Renaissance. So he must have been at your stand. I'm going to call him up right now and tell him over here.
Yes, we have 2 booths out there, so.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man, these are so cool, man. Okay, well, let me call Bradley. I'm proud. Okay, so this here is where I actually asked my wife to marry me, if y'all care. Real pretty. It was always nice. It's always pretty out here. Anyway, I gotta go catch up to the old lady. There's a lot of stuff out here, though. So we're gonna go find her. I guess I should walk into where the vendors are, and then I'll go catch her. All right. We're trying to. Ooh. What? This one's showing movies on it. Alright, and there we did a giant party in that building. It's very cool in there. It's old timey. It's old Western saloon type look. Good price too. Alright, so we're just getting around here. So much stuff to see here. Wait a minute. Alright, so this is actually the Boost Train. It's a giant dog here. A real giant dog, see? there's our Christmas tree. Oh my goodness. I don't know how tall that tree is. Gosh, I don't know. 40 feet? It's humongous. 35 feet.
Let's go get close.
And there's a giant dog again. Alright, so that's the fire department. Right next to the park we were just at. And this is the neighborhood. It's a little ballroom or something. There's an old house. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to our house, or actually I'm gonna probably go eat somewhere. So go jump in my car because it's kind of chilly willy out here.
You've just learned in this tape 3 critical areas of life and self-defense.